Alright, bro. At this point, I'm like, Izaya Tiji, he been going crazy in my playlist, John. So at this point, I'm just looking for more songs because Pizza and Interlude have been going dummy. Especially Interlude. That shit is such a vibe. I be listening to that joint nightly type joint. I be going hard. But yeah, bro. All these songs are from bro comment. So you know what I'm saying. I appreciate it, and let's just get right into this. Bitch sound trippy as fuck. That is fat ass.
Might be a drug addict for the rehab. You talking broke, but I can't beat that. Little money, I can't lay that. Put some diamonds on my fucking wrist. These like boots that they hit me. I need 5 M's on a good day. Like a run addict on the freeway. Then go spin the block like a DJ. I mean, Benny Hunters on the king bed. I got shooters from LA that's sense. I don't wanna fuck her cause this bitch too bad. I got a bag, then my nigga got a bag. I split the bread in half, then give my nigga the rest. I beat up a 2 day, then back on the desk, deep as a geese.
Okay.
I ain't got no friends, nigga. I can't even wear friends.
Man, his style is, I don't know. I really mess with it. That's a nice sad type. Them big cats. I'm like the sounds that they're making. Oh man. This just sounds good. That's good. That was good. I'm not gonna lie. I've definitely, you know what I'm saying, these playlist and shit. I don't know, his songs, I really mess with how like experimental and trippy sounding they are. I really mess with it when artists try to like do all that experimental stuff. It really just, it makes me interested in it. But the next song is Ben Knew That. You got guitar. What is this beat doing? Hold on.
Bitch, I see we're lonely. See little Puerto Rico. They say they gon' get you back, they gon' get you back. Don't let no hoe get you wet, no hoe.
I fucking got anime in the background, bro.
Bullets go through bones, bullets go through bones, go through bones. I went Benji cold, yeah, he cold as fuck.
Bro, listen to the way that sounds.
Go through bones. I went Benji cold, yeah, he cold as fuck. These bitches be bold, yeah, they bold as fuck. They say what happened to the OG, he didn't glow though. I know she'll give me a throat. Yeah. I'm with a chill bitch though. Me and Benji on some chill shit though. Yeah. If I caught these little jealous, she gon' be jealous.
If I caught these little my jealous,
and then jealous. They knew that was phony.
What?
They knew that. Bitch, I see we're lonely. She love Puerto Rico.
Nah.
She love Puerto Rico. They knew that.
Nah.
They knew that.
I need this.
You know she was phony. You know she was phony. You know she was phony. Been on shit with phony, can't hold me, that bitch bitch who cannot hold me, bitch who cannot hold me, bitch who cannot hold me. Been on that.
That's cold.
Bitch who cannot hold me.
Go ahead.
Hold me. I've been on that.
That bitch was cold. I'm not gonna lie. That was cold as fuck. I hope that joint is on streaming services, bro. Like I gotta, you know what I'm saying? I gotta keep saying it, bro. But this is on his official channel, so hopefully it is. The other songs were, so I'm really hoping that this one was, because this might be one of them ones. This like, you know what I'm like. This might be one of them ones type. I don't even know how to say what the fuck this is, but you can see the title. Bitch menacing.
When I come fight me, turn a little crap. Yeah. I got it real. Hit up the dot. Yeah. Scared of the freedom, I do it on whoa. Yeah. Yeah. I put the crust bands in my blood. These music shit, that shit is so dumb. That shit is so dumb. They talking shit where they get done. These niggas bitch like, is that shit fun? That shit fun. I rap for a little bit, but I'm not done. Yeah. I wrote a little bit, but I still freestyle. Hate these niggas like A-Dog. Take these niggas with one car. I can face these niggas with one pop. Cancel on me, I don't need an act tough. Still on me, I don't need a blood. Look like I'm here, cause
I'm sorry, but don't do that to yourself. Don't compare yourself to Adolf in any type of way, bro. What is you on? What are you on?
Yeah, the bitch bad, but I'm not clever. She right there, sat down, settle up. Yes, one time, say, yeah, I'm finna casa. I believe in the love, believe in the drugs. I can't even look when you giving me up. Even possibly a little bitch, nigga, so sad. Tryna squeeze the glick to the motherfucking base. Yeah. Jump on the street, then put him in sky zone. Talking, singing like Beyonce, no. Oh, you my nigga, would you die for? You don't wanna be the ox when you glide for me.
Oh my god! Yo!
MG hot box, yeah, so smoky, yeah. MG hot box, yeah, I'm so smoky, yeah.
Fuck.
Mother G, Mother K, yeah, it's my little buddy, yeah. A lot of niggas talk about that. He had a 500, but he slumped now.
Okay. Yo, that's cold. That's cold. This should have, bro, on YouTube, this joint only has 186 views. Now I know. Hey, this came out June 9th too. Damn, okay. Okay. It's a recent drop. So he on some shit, cause this was fire. I'm messing with his style. I'm messing with his style. I can't really say too much, bro. I'm just really messing with his music. I don't got no introspective point of view or you know what I'm saying, opinion of this joint. It just sounds good to me, bro. I like the auto-tuning, you know what I'm saying, runs, I guess, he be doing, and the melodies he be trying to get. It just sounds cold to me. It's the type of shit I listen to. No Lover, and this is on Archives. This motherfucker got an Archives channel. Got an angel in it. What kind of strings are that?
But he put up some Nike dunks. Walking that bitch with a tongue. Smoking up motherfucking skunk.
Okay.
That's a drum. My nigga came with that clock. Yeah. Me and my nigga talk about. Yeah. We tryna jump me, give it luck. Boy, that part might do his style. I jump in like each other lunch. Yeah. Boy, that
He up there with it.
Yeah. One car, get your ass bust. Yeah. I ain't no life.
Yo. Listen to these strings right now. What kind of strings are these, if you know, bro? I need, like, they sound magnificent. W vernacular. That was the most like, bitch, you gon' suck it up. I'm a big dog, but he a puppy. That's it. Damn. And then now, bro, you done just like that. Don't start, you know what I'm saying? That was cold. That was cold. I'm not gonna lie, bro. He's I actually really mess with his style. I can't lie to you. Now, like I said, bro, I already said, you know, the elements that I really enjoy, bro. It's experimental and the auto tune, right? Some people can't really get over that, which you should get over that, bro. It's 2022, bro. Auto tune is what it is, bro. That like. It can either be something that really helps the track build up, which I think he uses a lot, you know, in his style. He uses it a lot to help build the tracks to sound better, or it can just be way too like strong. It can overpower shit, and it just doesn't sound like it fits, right? But I think he uses it very well, and I think his, you know, it's experimental and stuff. I really mess with it, and sometimes you can't even fucking understand what he's saying, but it just goes along with it, which I can still appreciate that too. You know what I'm saying? So I don't know, bro. It's really solid, to be honest with you. I'm about to look up all these joints and see if they in my, you know what I'm saying, see if they on Apple Music so I can add them bitches. But yeah, bro, that's my opinion on these songs. You know what I'm saying? I got more, so another video's coming anyway. But like I said, bro, if you recommend some shit, I'll definitely put that on my list, and it will be, you know what I'm saying? It will be looked at, listened to rather. But yeah, you know what I'm saying? That's all I got for you right now. If you got anything else you want me to listen to, anything else you want me to watch, go ahead, you know what I'm saying? Recommend it. And yeah, bro, like, comment, subscribe.
He did.